Welcome to Blue Lagoon, Iceland's most famous geothermal spa. But did you know that there are hidden gems in this popular tourist spot that many visitors overlook? In this video, we'll show you the best hidden gems in Blue Lagoon that are worth exploring. One. Our first hidden gem is the moss-covered lava field surrounding Blue Lagoon. This unique landscape is not only beautiful, but also ecologically important. The moss helps to purify the water in the lagoon, making it crystal clear and safe for swimming. Take a stroll through the field and breathe in the fresh Icelandic air while marveling at the stunning scenery. 2. Another hidden gem is the secret cave. This secluded spot is tucked away in the lava field and provides a peaceful escape from the crowds. The cave is not very big, but it's big enough for you to step inside and enjoy a private moment with the mineral-rich steam rising from the lagoon. Take a seat and relax, let the steam work its magic, and enjoy the natural beauty of Blue Lagoon. 3. The Silica Mud Mask Station is another hidden gem that you must try when you visit Blue Lagoon. This natural mask is rich in minerals and helps to exfoliate the skin, leaving it soft and smooth. The station is located in a quiet corner of the lagoon, surrounded by lava rocks, and the masks are free to use for all visitors. Slather on the mask, take some silly photos, and let the minerals rejuvenate your skin. 4. If you're looking for a more intense spa experience, head to the steam sauna. This cozy little hut is heated by geothermal energy and filled with steam that helps to open up your pores and detoxify your body. The sauna can accommodate a small group, but it's usually not very crowded, making it a perfect place to unwind and relax. 5. If you're lucky enough to visit Blue Lagoon during the winter months, you might get to witness one of Iceland's most spectacular natural wonders, the Northern Lights. The lagoon is open until late at night, giving visitors a chance to witness this stunning display of color and light. Imagine soaking in the warm waters while the sky above you is lit up by dancing green and pink lights, a truly unforgettable experience. Blue Lagoon may be a popular tourist destination, but these hidden gems make it an even more magical place to visit. We hope you enjoyed this video and that it inspires you to explore the best hidden gems in Blue Lagoon, Iceland. From the moss-covered lava field to the in-water bar and northern lights, Blue Lagoon has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Book your trip to Blue Lagoon today.